just I want to say, I'm such a person which not believe in advance. If something works, I will feel, but if something unexpected happened in my life during this process, all the process and divine change and everything. I met my sister, which I didn't meet. I knew she is in the same town, but we didn't speak to each other over 10 years, and we have a very bad relationship. And recently, uh, we went 2 times to the forest together for a walk. We speaking very nice. She invited me to her house. She made something to eat for me. She was very kind, and we keep in touch all the time. And that is for me amazing. And I called my daughter and I said about it. She didn't believe it. We really, and now we will go together to Malta. I'm so surprised. It just happened like that.
10 years, you are telling me? It happened after
Sorry?
10 years? It happened
Ye-
after 10 years?
No, it happened just like sudden effect, during the process which we're doing.
Are you
The
following?
miracles happening.
Are you
Sorry?
doing all switch codes, whatever I have given you? Are you balancing chakras? Are you doing?
Yes, I do switch words. I do drawing the chakras. To be honest, I have to confess, I don't do the balancing chakra at the moment. I've done 2 times, just lack of time because I coming from work and sometimes to another work, and but I will do definitely, even shortly, but I need to do.